Alright, let's make a shader.
Let's do it. First, make sure you're using URP. Then right-click in the project window and select Create Shader Graph, URP, Lit Shader Graph. Let's call it Demon Weapon. Double-click the shader to open the shader graph.
Why does it look like I accidentally opened a power plant control panel?
Let's make something obvious. Click on plus and create a color property. I call it base color. Now drag the color property into the graph. Make it red. Connect it to the base color input of the fragment session. Make a new material. Don't forget to save the graph. Select the shader name you made. Give the material to the weapon. You can also change color in the inspector. To hide or show it in the inspector, check or uncheck expose.
Hey, my weapon is red now!
Congratulations! You have mastered the highly advanced art of plugging one thing into another.
It's ugly.
True. Let's make it glow. Create another color property called glow color. Set it to orange or yellow. Drag it into the graph and connect the output into the emission.
Nothing happened.
Don't forget to save the shader graph.
Oh, it's glowing!
Exactly. Emission lets an object appear as if it is producing light. If you want to change the intensity, make the glow color mode to HDR and change intensity in this way. Now the whole weapon glow and base color is invisible. We will fix it later.
Yeah, my weapon is basically radioactive now.
In the next lesson, we'll animate the shader and make energy flow through the weapon.
Finally. Violence through mathematics.